Omnipresence, when you say, it is not a word, it is an experience. It is very easy to say, God is omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient. It's very easy to say. But to experience, when that time only, we'll come to know what the truth is. Now I'll try to give you some of the glimpses of that omnipresence. I do not know how many of you believe or anything. I never believed in giving a letter to Swami. I never believed. I always say he is an omniscient, he is omnipotent. Why should I write a letter? Possibly it is arrogance. It is an ego played. If I said, all right, I do not want to give any letter. Okay. Now, at Hyderabad in my office of the global hospitals, one day, round about 1:32, I felt I must write a letter for the first time in my life. For the first time in my life, I took the paper and started writing. And first time writing, every sentence has to be careful. So much, everything I finished. And by the time it is over, it's 2:33. I said, all right, the letter is there. Tomorrow let me post. So I have put it in an envelope, wrote the address, kept it, and then I said, let me post tomorrow. Round about 3:30, I finished writing by 2 o'clock. Had my lunch and everything. 3:30, the telephone on my table rang. I was thinking, who called me at this hour? When I lifted, my brother was on the other side. Arey, come on, at this hour, why did you call me? It must be darshan time, 3:34, Swami must be around. Yes, it is darshan time, Swami is around. He asked me to tell you that you wrote a letter to him. And he also told me that nothing to worry, need not be posted. My letter was there only. This is a greatest symbol of omniscience and omnipresence. You name any word of a God definition, even if you know it, I feel there is something beyond our comprehension. That letter and the whole thing, even today I feel there is a greatest influence of Lord on our minds.